Good morning, everyone. I am Santi, working as an assistant professor in Erode Engineering College. Today, I am going to take part in detail in technical English. The subject code for technical English is 23HS101. The topic is parts of speech. It is the basic learning for English class. The basic part of speech you should know. What is my parts of speech? Every word you say has a role in a sentence. Every word is a part of speech. Today we are going to take a closer look at these 8 parts of speech. Make up nearly everything we say in English. In parts of speech totally there are 9 types are there. First one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is adjectives, and then verb, and then adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and the last one is articles. Noun is nothing but name of a person, place, or things. Okay. For an example, girl, school, pencil, dog, this and all comes under noun. What is my pronoun means? Pronoun is used in place of the noun or substitution of noun. That is called as a pronoun. For an example, I, she, he, it, they, you, he, we, me, this and all comes under pronoun. What is meant by adjective means? An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. An adjective tells which kind, how many, or which one. This and all comes under adjectives. For an example, if it is what means kind, happy, brave, and then how it comes under many, more, two, which one, this, that, this and all comes under adjective. Then what is by verb? A verb can tell what action someone or something is doing. Okay. A verb can also express a state of being. For an example, for verb, run, walking, jumping, running, where it is, was, or this and all comes under verb. Next, we can see about articles. What is my article? Article is nothing but the word a, an, and the belong to the special group of adjective called articles. Before a noun in a sentence. For an example, a dog, a rabbit, an apple, an ant, the boy, the bird, this and all called as articles. Next we can see about adverb. An adverb is nothing but describe a verb, adjectives or another adverb. An adverb tells how, when, where or to what degree this and all comes under adverb. For an example, quickly, outside, today, before, bravely, this and all called as adverb. Next we can see about preposition. Preposition is nothing but combines with a noun or a pronoun to form a phrases that tell something about another word in a sentence. It is a preposition between noun and pronoun that is called as a preposition. For an example, from, over, to, with, until, after, before, this word and all called as preposition. Next one is conjunction. Conjunction is nothing but join together single words or a group of words in a sentence. For that you can use it as the conjunction and, but, or, nor. These words and all comes under conjunction. Next we can see about interjection. Interjection is nothing but strong feelings. An interjection express strong feelings or emotions, and interjections can be single word or a phrase. Example for interjection is wow, alas, ho. These words and all comes under interjection. Interjection is nothing but some strong feelings. Now we can see in detail about parts of speech. First, we can see about noun. What is by noun? A noun is nothing but a word that names some things, such as person, place, things, or ideas. Okay. In a sentence, noun can play a role of what are the roles the noun play means. The first one is it roles as an subject, indirect object, direct object, subject complement, object complement, appositive, and then adjective. These are all noun can play the role. Okay, in this sentence, each and every sentence having some subject, indirect object, direct object, subject complement, object complement, appositive, and then adjective. These are the role that nouns can be played. Next, the noun can name the people. Noun can name people. For an example, girl, my dad, my mom, a boy, this and all called as people. Noun can name people. Next, noun can name place. Some of the place also present. For an example, a mountain, spine, the kitchen, the classroom, the playground. This and all comes under place. So, noun can name a place. Next, we can see about noun can also name things, concept, activities, ideas, or pronouns. Okay. Noun can also name things. Okay. Noun can also name things or concept, activities, ideas, or process. For an example, love, shots, knowledge, kind, beauty, this and all comes under noun. This and all comes under noun. In that, things, concept, activities, ideas, or pronouns. That's all about noun. In noun, there are four groups in noun also there. The first one is proper noun, second one is common noun, third one is collective noun, and then at last abstract noun. Okay, and there are four types are there in noun: pronoun, common noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. What is mean by pronoun? What is mean by proper noun means proper noun is nothing but particular person, name or things. That is called as proper noun. For an example, I like to write a camel pen. Okay, if it is pen means it comes under a common noun. I mentioned the camel pen, that particular pen, so it is called as a proper noun. What is my common noun means I like teacher. Teacher is a common word, so it is called as a common noun. Teacher, city, river, this and all comes under common noun. Next, collective noun. What is by collective noun means? Collective noun is a noun. It is a group of things. Okay, it is a group of things. For an example, team, classes, group of people comes under group of people or group of things or group of materials. That is called as a collective noun. Next, we can see about abstract noun. Abstract noun is nothing but a noun which we cannot see, but you can feel it. That is called as abstract noun, which we cannot see but feel it. That is called as what? Abstract noun. For an example, a doll is a beautiful. That beautiful is we can feel. Okay, love, kind, this and all comes under some feelings. So it is called as a abstract noun. That's all. Noun is nothing but a word that names something such as place, person, things, or ideas. Okay, and the noun can play what are the role means a subject, indirect object, direct object, subject complement, object complement, appositive, and then adjectives. Okay, noun act as a people, place, and then things, concept, activities, ideas, or process. So many examples we see, isn't it? In noun, there are only four types. What are they means? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and then abstract noun. Proper noun is nothing but particular things, place, or things, name, or persons. Next, common noun is commonly we can say I like teacher, city, river, that and all. Collective noun is nothing but a group of things. For an example, class, team, this and all called as collective noun. And then abstract noun is nothing but we cannot see but you can feel. That is called as a abstract noun. For an example, beauty, love, this and all comes under abstract noun. Next we can see about pronoun. Okay. Next we can, second one is pronoun. What is by pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun. Okay. A pronoun is nothing but a word you can use instead of noun or a substitution of noun. While using the pronoun, when the reader or a listener knows which specific noun you are referring to. Okay. Which specific noun you are referring to. For an example, if I tell a story about my would-be William, it will get so boring, isn't it? Under repetition, isn't it? If I keep saying William over and over again, it's not good to hear. So that instead of William, I can use it as pronoun. Okay. So we can use pronoun. Look at this example without pronouns. Okay. Look at this without pronoun. William is my would-be. William is extremely tall. William told wants to marry me. It's not good. Repeatedly we can say William, William, William. For that, now look at this example with the pronouns. Okay. Instead of William, you can use it as pronoun. Instead of noun, we can use it as pronoun. We can change the sentence. William is my would-be. He is extremely tall. He told me that he wants to marry me. So instead of William, we can use it as he. William is my would-be. He is extremely tall. He told me that he wants to marry me. So instead of William, we can use it as he. Instead of noun, we can use it as pronoun. Okay. Are you understand? Yes, there are quite a few different types of pronouns are also there. Okay, and some pronouns are found in more one category. Here are some of the most common types. First, we can see one by one. We can see about the types of pronoun. We can see about one by one. The first one is interrogative pronoun. What is by interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun is nothing but asking some question is called as an interrogative pronoun. What are the words are present in interrogative pronouns means what, who, which, whose, these words and all comes under interrogative pronoun. Why? Because means asking questions. While asking questions, we can use it as the WHO questions. So we can use the word who, what, which, whose, everything. Okay. Next, we can see about progressive pronoun. Progressive pronoun is nothing but what are the example for the progressive pronoun means my, your, their, whose, this one, this word and all comes under progressive pronoun. Next, we can see about reflexive and intensive pronouns. Okay, it means myself, yourself, themselves. This word and all comes under reflexive or intensive pronouns. Next, we can see about personal pronouns. Personal pronouns is nothing but I, me, you, she, her, he, him, us, we, why, them. This word and all comes under personal pronouns. Next, we can see about demonstrative pronoun. What is my demonstrative pronoun? That, these, those. We are also have indefinite pronouns used when you need to refer to the person or things that does not need to specifically. Okay, that does not need to specifically. For an example, one, another, everybody, anybody, nobody. Okay, this and all comes under indefinite pronouns. Okay, indefinite pronouns or demonstrative pronouns. Indefinite and demonstrative pronouns. Next, what are the types? Interrogative pronouns, progressive pronouns, reflexive and intensive pronouns, then relative pronouns. In relative pronouns, whom, what, which, this word and all comes under relative pronouns. Okay, relative pronouns and personal pronouns is nothing but I, me, you, she, her, he, him, us, we, why, them, this and all comes under personal pronouns. And in demonstrative pronouns, What are the words are used means that these, those, this word and all comes under demonstrative pronoun. We also having indefinite pronouns used when you need to refer a person or a things that does not need to specifically. Okay, for an example, one another, everybody, anybody, somebody, this and all comes under indefinite pronouns. Okay. What is by pronoun? Pronoun is nothing but a word that is used instead of noun or a substitution of noun. While using the pronoun, when the reader or the listener knows which specific noun you are referring to. For an example, if I tell a story about my would-be William, I will get so boring now, boring and repetition. If I keep on saying William over and over again, it's not good to hear, isn't it? So we can use pronoun. Look at this example. What is the example for a pronoun? William is my would-be. William is extremely tall. William told wants to marry me. Instead of William, we can use it as he, isn't it? Now look at this example, the pronouns. William is my would-be. He is extremely tall. He told me that he wants to marry me. Okay. There are different types of pronouns. Also, we can see interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflective and intensive pronouns, relative pronouns, personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and then indefinite pronouns. Next, we can see about adjectives. Okay. What is by adjectives? Next, we can see about adjectives. What is by adjectives? Adjective is nothing. Adjective is nothing but the words that describes noun. Okay. Adjective are the words that describe noun. An adjective can go right before the noun. It's describing, for an example, I have an orange cat. But it does not, isn't it? But it does not have to. My cat is orange. What is the correct sentence? My cat is orange. Okay. What is my adjective? Adjective is nothing but the words that describe noun. Okay. An adjective can show right before noun. It describing, for an example, I have an orange cat. But it does not have to, isn't it? So so my cat is orange. My cat is orange. One of the most important thing to learn about adjective is the adjective order. Okay. Most native speakers will naturally say a list of adjectives, list of adjectives in a particular order. Okay. What are the order? In adjective order, so many orders are there. While using the adjectives, what are the order means? First one, we can see the opinion. Okay. What is mean opinion? Opinion is nothing but some opinion, ugly, beautiful. Okay. He is an ugly boy. She is a beautiful girl. Like that opinion. If in the sentence using some opinion means it is called as an adjective. Okay. Next we can see about size. Size and all comes under adjective only. Big, small. Okay. I have big house. This is a small rat. Okay, that big and small is a mentioned as a size, so it is called as an adjective. Next we can see about physical quality. What is my physical quality means? Neat and rough. Okay, this words and all comes under physical quality. Next we can see about shape. What is my shape? Shape is nothing but round, square. Okay, the bread is square shape. Likewise you can use it as. Okay. Next we can see about age, old, new, and then color. Color is nothing but example for color, pink, orange, pink, orange. This and all comes under color. Next we can see about origin. Some country names, Japanese, Egyptian, this and all comes under origin. Next, we can see about material. Material is nothing but a plastic, leather. Then we can see about type. Unisex, three-legged, this and all comes under type. Next, purpose. Cooking, sweeping, this and all comes under purpose. Okay. So what is my adjective means? Adjectives is nothing but adjective describing the noun. Okay, adjective is nothing but describing the noun. Next, an adjective can also go right before the noun. It's describing some of the order. Okay, some of the order. One of the most important things to learn about the adjective is the adjective order. Most native speakers well naturally is listed. Okay, what are the list in the adjective means adjective order. First one, opinion, size, shape, color, origin, material, type, purpose. This and all called as adjective order. Okay, this and all called as adjective order. Next we can see about verb. What is by verb? Next we can see about verb. What is by verb? Verbs are word that describe actions. Verbs are word that describe actions. Listen to me says write what you hear, learn to speak. In this sentence, write, hear, learn, speak. This and all called as verbs. Okay. These were all amazing examples of verbs. Verbs are words that describe actions. Okay, verbs are the word that describe actions. The dynamic or action verbs. Dynamic or first one is dynamic or action verbs. It refers to literal actions such as walking, running, talking. This and all called as dynamic or action verbs. Next, we can see about stative verbs. Refers to feelings and states like to love, to be, love, next to be, to thank. Next we can see about auxiliary verbs. Okay, dynamic or action verbs, stative verbs. Next we can see about auxiliary verbs. What is my auxiliary verbs? Auxiliary verbs is nothing but it is used in English to change another verb sentence, mood or voice. This is why they are often referred to all the helping verbs. Helping verbs. The main auxiliary verbs are what are the main auxiliary verb means be, have, do, this and all called as auxiliary verbs. We also have modal auxiliary verbs. We also have a modal auxiliary verbs which are added to another verb to show capacity, possibility or necessity. Okay. Some of the common examples are may, might, must, can, to, should, shall, would, will, ought. This and all comes under auxiliary verbs. Okay, now auxiliary verbs are the important verb. We also have the modal auxiliary verb. This and all called as modal auxiliary verb, which are added to another verb to show capacity, possibility, or necessity. Capacity, possibility, or necessity. Some common examples. This and all. Okay, may, might, must, can, could. This and all called as modern auxiliary verbs. Modern auxiliary verbs. Next, I should also mention the phrases verbs. These are phrases that act as a single verb, usually consisted a verb and a preposition. Verb and a preposition. Example had to. This and all comes under phrasal verbs. So, what is my verb? Verb is nothing but, what is my verb? Verb is nothing but the word that describe action. Isn't it? That describe action. Listen to me says, write what you hear, learn to speak. These were all the amazing example of the noun. Verbs are the words that describe the actions. In verbs, so many types we can see, no? What are the types means? Dynamic or action verbs. That is refers to the literal actions such as running, walking or talking, and then stative verbs, and then auxiliary verbs. That example is love, to be, think. And auxiliary verb is nothing but the helping verbs. Example for the auxiliary verbs are be, have, do, and then modal auxiliary verbs also there. That is added the another verb to show, that is the capacity, possibility or necessity. What are the example for the modal auxiliary verb means may, might, could. This and all comes under modal auxiliary verb. At last, the phrasal verb or the act as a single verb, and then the example for that one is had to. Okay, this is the verbs. Next, we can see about adverbs. Adverbs is nothing but a word that describe an adjective. Okay, a word that describe an adjective, a verb or another adverb or even sentences It gives the descriptions about verb. Okay, adverb is nothing but give the descriptions about verb. It may be in the form of an adjective. Whether it is in the form of an adverb, it may be in form of an adjectives. There are few examples as follows. There are few examples as follows. What are they means? I gently lifted him out of bed. Here, lifted is a verb. Before that verb, we can add as adverb. That is gently. Gently is called as an adverb. Okay. The next example is he is more interesting than you. Interesting is a adjective. Okay, before that we can add it as more is called as an adverb. So qualifies the adjectives, that is the adverb. Okay, next one is that is an unusually tall tree. Unusually tall tree. Here which one is called as an adjective? Tall tree is an adjective. Before that we can add it as adverb, unusually. Okay, unfortunately we had yeah, already left out. In this sentence, before the sentence you can add it as the adverb unfortunately. Okay, so what is my adverb means? An adverb is nothing to describe a word, describe an adjectives. Okay, yeah, adjectives, a verb or another adverb, or even in sentences. Okay, describing about a verb or or adjectives or another adverb or even in a sentence. Some of the example we can see. Few of the example. I gently lifted him out of bed. In this, before that verb, we can add it as adjectives. He is more interesting than you. In this sentence, adjective is there. That is interesting. Before that adjectives, we can add as the adverb more. Next, that is unusually tall tree. Here, tall tree is the adjective. Before that, you can add it as verb, adverb. That is unusually. At first, unfortunately, this is called as an adverb. We had already left in sentence also we can write it as adverb. That's all about adverbs. Next we can see about preposition. What is my preposition? What is my preposition? Preposition is nothing but a word that tells you when or where something is in relations to something else. Okay, that is the prepositions between the noun and pronoun, that is called as preposition. Preposition is a word that tells you when or where something in relations to something else. It describes about positions of a subject or object in a sentence. For an example, I put my bag on the table. Okay, between the preposition between noun and pronoun. Okay, here on is the preposition. I sat besides the wall. Here besides is called as a preposition. My birthday is on Monday. On is called as a preposition. Remember, you can end a sentence with a preposition, although be careful in formal writing or a speech. In formal writing or a speech. That's all about preposition. Preposition is nothing but a word that tells you when or where something is in relations to something else. Okay. I put my bag on the table. I sat beside the wall. My birthday is on Monday. Remember, you can end a sentence with the prepositions. All prepositions, be careful in form, writing or speech. Okay. Next we can see about conjunction. Next we can see about conjunction. What is my conjunction? Conjunction is nothing but conjunction is a word that is used to connect class sentence or words together. Conjunction is nothing but connecting two words or connecting two sentences by using some conjunctions. For an example, and, but, it, or, this and all conjunction words. By using conjunction words, we can connect two words or two sentences. That is called as conjunction. Okay, a conjunction is a word that is used to connect class, comma sentences or words together. There are so many types in conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, correlating conjunction. Some of the types are there. First, we can see about coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions allows us to join words, phrases, and classes of equal rank. When remembering coordinating conjunction, think of fanboys. It's a clue word for remembering the coordinating conjunction. What does my fanboys means? F stands for fan, A is and N stands for nor, B stands for but, O is or Y is it, and S is so. Okay, this word and all called as coordinating conjunction. What are the words are called as coordinating conjunction? For, and, nor, but, or, it, so. This word and all called as coordinating conjunction. Okay, a conjunction is a word that is used to connect the class, sentence or words together. First, we can see about the coordinating conjunction. We have to remember fan boys. Okay, fan boys. Fan is F stands for, A stands for and N stands for not, B boys, B stands for but, O stands for or, Y stands for yet, and S stands for so. So easily remember by memorizing the word fanboys. This word and all called as coordinating conjunctions. I had a trouble headache. I still went to school. These are the two sentences. Okay. What are the two sentences? I had a terrible headache. Sorry, I had a terrible headache. Um, I still went to school. Uh, in this sentence, by using conjunction, you have to join this sentence. For that, you can write it as I had a terrible headache, but I still went to school. But I still went to school. So it is called as what? This example comes under coordinating conjunctions, but is called as coordinating conjunctions. Okay. Next, we can see about correlative conjunctions. What is my correlative conjunctions? Correlative conjunctions are pairs that works together. That works together. For an example, either and or. Next, neither and nor. Okay. Correlative conjunctions are pairs that works together. For example, either and or, neither and nor. Take a look at this example. I want either the beef or the turkey roast. Okay. Here either and or. These two sentences. Joining these two sentences by using the correlative conjunction. So what is the example for correlative conjunction means? Either and nor, either and nor, neither and nor. Okay, either and or, neither and or. Okay, next we can say the third type is subordinating conjunctions. The third type is subordinating conjunction. The subordinating conjunction join dependent and independent classes together. Okay, subordinating conjunction join dependent and independent class together. Common subordinating or, what are the common subordinating? Because, since, though, although, as, while, whereas. This and all called as subordinating conjunction. An example for subordinating conjunction. I I ate dinner. I ate dinner because I was hungry. Using the word because, the because is called as subordinating conjunction. I drew while taking on a phone. While is called as an subordinating conjunction. These are the example for subordinating conjunction. These are the example for what? Subordinating conjunction. Okay. Now, what is my conjunction? Conjunction is nothing but a connecting the two words or two sentences is called as a conjunction. In conjunction, there are three types are there. One is coordinating conjunction, another one is correlative conjunction, and another one is subordinating conjunction. What is the example for coordinating conjunction means? You have to remember fanboys. Fanboys is nothing but for and nor but or it so. This words comes under coordinating conjunction. What is the example for coordinating conjunction means? I had a terrible headache, but I still went to school. The next type is correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction is nothing but pauses that work together. For an example, either and or, neither and nor. Take a look at this example. I want to enter the before or the turkey roast. Next, we can see about subordinating conjunction. In subordinating conjunction, join dependent and independent class together. What are the words are comes under subordinating conjunction means? Because, since, though, although, as, while, whereas. This word and all comes under subordinating conjunction. What is the example for subordinating conjunction means? I ate dinner because I was hungry. I joined while taking on the phone, talking on the phone. This and all called as subordinating conjunctions. Next, we can see about articles. What is the articles? Yeah, articles. What is my article support a noun? Describe it particularly in a sentence. Okay. Articles always support a noun. There are two types of articles. What are they means? There are two types of articles. What are they means? They are definite articles and indefinite articles. There are two types of article. The first one is definite articles and then second one is indefinite articles. First we can see about what is by definite articles. Definite articles is nothing but a word. They is the word they. The it limits the meaning of the noun to one particular thing. For an example, give me the ticket. In this sentence, the is called as a definite article. Give me the ticket. Next, we can see about indefinite articles. What is my indefinite articles? The indefinite articles is either a or an. It is a when it follows a word that begins with a consonant and an when it follows a word that starts with a vowel. Before that vowel, you can use it as an. Before the consonant, you can use it as a. So these two are called as indefinite articles. Okay. The indefinite articles indicates that the noun refers to the general ideas rather than the particular things. For an example, can you pass me an apple? Should I bring a bottle of wine? Should I bring a bottle of wine? Okay. This is the example for articles. So it is very easy. Articles is nothing but articles support a noun to describe it particularly in a sentence. There are two types of articles. The first one is definite article. Another one is indefinite articles. Okay. What is the word used in definite article means the. Okay. The definite article is the word the. It limits the meaning of the noun to a one particular things. For an example, the mountains, the Himalayas. Okay, give me the ticket. In this sentence, the ticket is the definite articles. The second one is indefinite articles. What is the indefinite articles means? And an is called as indefinite articles. Yeah is used to follow the word begins with the consonant sound, and an is used to follow a word that starts with the vowels. The indefinite article indicates a noun, refers to the general idea rather than the particular things. For an example, can you pass me an apple? Should I bring a bottle of wine? This and all called as articles. Next, the last one is what? The last one is interjection. What is my interjection? Interjection is nothing but some strong feelings, that is called as an interjection. Interjection refers to a word or a phrase used to express your feelings or to request or demand something, that is called as interjection. What is my interjection? Interjection is nothing but interjection refers to a word or phrase used to express our feelings, feelings or to request or demand something. It particularly describes strong feelings or expressions. Strong feelings or expressions towards a situations, but they do not play a bigger role than other parts of speech. But they do not role a bigger role. Okay, the following sentence or the example of commonly used in interjections. What is the example for interjection? Means wow, what a beautiful house. Alas, I lost my purse. These two words are called as interjection. So interjections refers a word or a phrase used to express feelings, that is called as interjection. And also request or demand something. It is particularly describes some strong feelings or expression, sudden feelings, that and all comes under interjection. But they do not play a bigger role than the other parts of speech. It is a simple role. Okay. The following sentence, some of the example, wow, ls, beautiful, this and all comes under example for interjection. So how many types parts of speech are there? Means there are nine types. Nine times one noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction, interjection, articles, preposition, and then that's all. Now, again I will repeat what are the parts of speech: noun, pronoun, preposition, adjective, articles, conjunctions, verb, adverb, interjection. That's all about parts of speech. Thank you.